Hey guys, Patrick here, your nutrition coach here at Perform and Transform. Today we're talking all about portion control. So the last few sessions over here, we talked about fats, we talked about carbs, we talked about protein. We're gonna combine it all up into a single unified lesson over here called portion control. You guys probably heard me say this a million times. We're gonna say it again. It's almost like brushing your teeth. When you're growing up and you're learning to brush your teeth, you know, your parents probably nagged you a billion times before it became a habit. Susie, did you brush your teeth yet? Susie, did you brush your teeth yet? Susie, remember to brush your teeth, right? And it took years before this solidified into a habit. So I'm gonna say it again and again and again until it becomes a habit. Not only do you have to know it by heart, but you have to live it out, all right? So portion control guide, all right? So when you're eating, chances are you're not gonna have a food scale, you're not gonna have a measuring cup in your back pocket to measure out every single thing. The next best thing is using your hand to measure out everything. All right, so the biggest thing on your plate, again, is gonna be vegetables. This is gonna be the size of your fist, about 1 cup. Second biggest thing on your plate is going to be protein, about the size of your palm, about 4 to 6 ounces. The next biggest thing is a scoop of carbs over here with your hand, about 1/2 cup. And then the smallest thing on your plate is going to be healthy fats, about your thumb size. All right. Now everybody's food is going to be a little bit, food sizes are going to be a little bit different depending on how tall you are, depending on how much you weigh, depending on your goals. Are you trying to lose weight or gain weight? Depending on your metabolism, depending on how hungry you are, right? But a general rule of thumb is to use your hand to measure out everything. If you're trying to lose weight, then you're gonna follow the exact portion control guidelines I just highlighted, right? So fist of veggies, palm of protein, scoop of carbs, and a thumb of healthy fats. And that's pretty much it, all right? So let's go ahead and I'll give you the nutrition challenge of the week this week. So the level 1 challenge is to stock up your fridge or your freezer with vegetables, lean protein, smart carbs, and healthy fats, all right? Maybe there's another pandemic coming, who knows? Make sure your fridge is stocked up and your freezer is stocked up. If you're getting veggies, I like to get my veggies frozen, so it's gonna save you a ton of time. You don't have to wash it, you don't have to prep it, you don't have to cut it. You just grab it and go, super simple. Lean protein, marinate it, throw it in your freezer. It's gonna last a long time. Smart carbs and healthy fats usually don't go bad, so just stock up and just make sure you have it with the proper portion control. Level 2 goal over here is portion controlling all of your dinners throughout this week. Normally, most people have cravings at night. Most people tend to overeat at night. Most people tend to binge eat at night. Most people tend to gather and eat dinner at night, right? So why not take care of your dinner and make sure everything is portioned out properly, all right? The next goal over here is a level 3 goal, is preparing 5 lunches and 5 dinners in advance with the proper portion control. So if you're like me, I only cook once or twice a week, all right? It makes my life super easy. I cook everything out, I portion everything properly, I put it in containers, I put it in my fridge, and then when it comes to lunch and dinner, I grab it, microwave it, and I'm ready to go. I cook like 1 or 2 hours and I'm done and I'm set for the whole week. I don't have to worry about it and it's done, right? So let me know in the comment section below what nutrition challenge you're gonna be doing this week, level 1, level 2, or level 3. And thanks again for allowing us to transform your life through fitness.